guys, welcome back to Smart Tech GH, where tech meet hustle. Today I'm going to share with you a simple 3-digit code that can help you transfer your credit from one SIM card to another. Maybe you mistakenly bought credit too much on your SIM card. You want to share with people who actually need the credit at that moment. Maybe you want to share with your other SIM card for a different purpose, and you feel like it's impossible or you cannot do it. Everything is possible by just using 3-digit code. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. Now you open to your dialing area or the place where you'll be able to enter the digits. So you click on phone here, then you enter this code, which is *198#. You can select any network at all, it will work for you. So for instance, we are going to use MTN. So you press enter here, and then you can see option 1 we have activate, option 2 we have transfer, 3 we have change pin, and then 4 is exit. So we are going to transfer the credit from our SIM card or our number to a different SIM card or a different phone number here. So we will enter 2. Then what we are going to do is to enter the person's phone number here, that's enter the receiver. So here they don't actually allow the +2 digits or something like that, so you just start with the 0 and then you enter the number here. Say here you enter the amount that is equal to the amount of credit you have on your SIM card. So let's say you bought a credit which amounts to 5 cedis. So you can enter 5 cedis here and then press send. Then we have the decimal value here. You can enter maybe the amount of credit that is on your SIM card. So let's put let's say maybe 12 for instance, and then we press send. So here you have to enter your pin to be able to now send the credit, which I wouldn't want to expose my pin here. So once you enter your pin, everything will be sent to the different number you've just entered. So this is simple how you can transfer your credit from your SIM card or your phone number to a different SIM card or a different phone number, and it's simple and easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to those who are in need of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.